This is Michael and welcome back to me and Paul's channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss if I'm a real estate investor looking to do a fix and flip in another state, how do I go about finding contractors? Before we dive into this video though, for those of you who are new, we talk about buying real estate, selling real estate, and all the strategies we use like virtual wholesaling, buying and managing local and out-of-state rental properties, renovation projects, private lending, owner financing, and more. So please subscribe to our channel because we got new videos coming out every week. With that said, let's dive into today's video. I'm a real estate investor that wants to do a fix and flip in another state. Where am I going to find these contractors? The best way for us is to find that real estate agent first and then tap into their network and figure out who the best craftsmen are, or contractors, or HVAC guys, or roofers. So 3 recent examples. We're doing a rehab in North Carolina. It's a part of North Carolina where we haven't done a deal yet before. It's about an hour south of Fayetteville. And we purchased a deal from a wholesaler. Numbers made sense. And first option, we thought about just reaching out to a local agent to see what would sell as is if we just listed on the MLS, given the market's so hot down there right now. And upon further inspection with the agent, she recommended us maybe maximizing our value by rehabbing the house a little bit. So we decided to do that, and we basically asked her, like, hey, if we're going to do new roof, new HVAC, and replace all the windows, paint, and some flooring, who are some contractors, roofers, and HVAC companies that you recommend? She sends us a list of a bunch of people to call. You go out, have them, a bunch of them give quotes. So already building that trust because it's a referral from the agent. And then from there, we could simply, figure out, who we want to work with, who's got the best pricing, and then run it by the agent as well to make that final decision. So we're in the process of doing that right now in a North Carolina house. Another larger scale rehab, we do this as well, is it's an apartment building, a 12-unit apartment complex in Wyoming, where we got this deal off the MLS. The agent that we know brought it to us, and they recommended a contractor to do a $250,000 renovation project on this 12-unit apartment building. So the agent is going to manage the project for us. The contractor gives us updates and the agent updates. And at the end of the day, the agent, if we decide to sell it, we'll get the listing, or they'll be the property manager going forward. So again, building that relationship with an agent, tapping into their networks helps out a lot. And then another example is in Tucson, Arizona, where we purchased the property from an online REO auction. The agent, we reached out to them. We've purchased deals from them in the past. We decided to renovate the property and then sell it in that market. And we utilized their team, and they managed it help for us. And then they got the listing on it at the end. So, if you want to do rehabs in any parts of the country, the best way to do is, build your team. And it starts with really a good agent in that area that where you could start tapping into their network. And that way you're not, going cold, interviewing people for a roofing position or a contracting position. So I hope this video was helpful and beneficial for you. If it was, I want to make sure you subscribe to our channel because we have new videos coming out soon, and turn on the bell so you get notified and don't miss out on any of the new videos. And also feel free to share this video with anyone else that might benefit from it. Thanks, and we'll see you on our next video.